Hi there. So I wanted to just do a quick unboxing slash first thoughts on some hair that I just purchased from a company called HairSoFab. I guess the reason that I'm doing this is usually I do put in or try to put in some thought into, I usually put in some research into the hair that I purchase, especially if it's not something recommended by a friend or anything like that. And with this, I kind of just jumped on it. Reason being, I had a hair appointment that's coming up here. And I decided I wanted to switch styles from what I normally do. In the past, usually I use Yummy hair extensions. I usually go for, I think it's the Lao Wavy. So that's always been my style. But recently just started working out more with a trainer, and it's summer. And I live in Florida, so it's humid, and I just don't want to keep doing a lot of heat to my hair, and I'm not a huge fan of closures just because of how my hair grows. So I typically don't go for that. So that's the reason why I went with the texture that I got, which I'll get into in a second here. So initial things, this is the packaging that it comes in. The other side has my address, but I mean, it's an envelope. Pretty cut and dry. They had it wrapped in some cute tissue paper. They also included some hair care tips, which is always nice, and then kind of led you back to the website if you had more questions, things like that. Thank you for shopping with us. So really nice, little extra touch. They also included some eyelashes, which I actually have never been good at strip lashes. Like, I can do it, but it's not my fave. So I actually do eyelash extensions. But this is good to have if I'm needing a fill or looking for a dramatic look. Then, you know, hey, it's a freebie. I can't be mad. What I purchased were two 22 bundles and two 24 bundles of the Fiji Straight, which that essentially mimics African American hair. So the bundles to me mimic just like if you have a fresh wash, if you don't have a curly texture, that's the look. And then I'll also show you a bundle that I did pass a flat iron over a couple, light passes, and that's more your relaxed straight. So let me go through and I'll show you the texture, which I think I mixed okay, here we go. So these are my two 22-inch bundles, which are nice and long. And then I'm just gonna do a close-up of the texture. These are, I would say, natural black color. I do see a couple gray hairs in here, nothing too crazy. First thoughts, when I got the bundles, there were no funny smells. For the most part, they felt pretty moisturized. I would say the ends just felt a little bit dry. This is my 24-inch bundle. I guess holding it up compared to my 22. So one of my 24-inch bundles, again, that same great texture. I did not have any tangling. When I did wash these, I did a clarifying wash, and then or clarifying shampoo, and then I conditioned it with silicone mix for about a day. Just because I wanted to moisturize the ends to get them nice and soft. I'm going to show you my other 24-inch bundle. So again, here is the freshly washed texture that you're going to get. But if you also want to do a little bit sleeker and pass the flat iron, like I said, I just pretty much did a light pass, nothing too crazy, then this is going to be your result. So I love that it's versatile. When my hair is getting a little poofy from humidity or whatever it may be, it's going to match my texture. But usually I go for a sleeker look, so this texture will match as well. In washing, I didn't have no tangling. I think I may have shed one or two hairs during the wash and conditioning process. So that's really good off the bat. Like I said, the only reason I really kind of wanted to come here is because once I purchased this hair, because I decided I wanted something that's gonna blend with my hair more, not have to use as much heat. And I kind of went with this company because I thought like, fingers crossed it would be here in time for my hair appointment, which it was. So I'm really happy about that. I then came to YouTube like after I'd purchased it at like 11 o'clock at night, and there was nothing really on this texture. So I figured if you're in a situation like me or considering this company and you're like, ooh, I don't want to do a wig, but I want some bundles, I want to see how they're going to kind of mesh or how they're going to hold up, then I'm your guinea pig. The 222 and 224-inch bundles, they were not on sale, so they came up to around $4.90. Can't remember if I got free shipping, but if I did not get free shipping, shipping on the site was like $20 it was like the standard, $20. So that's how much you can look into paying. Again, like I said, the hair company is HairSoFab. So I guess I will probably come back and update you once maybe I first get it installed, that initial review, and then we'll kind of go from there based on, whenever I get it taken out. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this was helpful. At least you can get the texture shot, the idea of the hair. Like I said, as I run my fingers through it, no issues. My ends feel great. Very soft now that I've done that silicone mix. So I'm happy about that. Any questions, just let me know. And I look forward to updating you on this wonderful hair. Bye-bye now.